3 pounds of Jimmy Dean sausage. We're just gonna brown this up, and while it's cooking, we're gonna chop up our veggies. I'm gonna chop up 3 shallots. Now I'm going to chop up this whole 5-ounce container of baby spinach. So my sausage is almost done cooking. I like it to get a little bit browned. And I started my water for the pasta. I like to use lentil noodle pasta just because it has more protein. This one is made with lentil flour, pea flour, and cauliflower flour. It's pretty good though. And I like to use the rotini noodles because the sauce sticks to the noodles better. Okay, now that my sausage is done, I'm just going to transfer it to this bowl that I have a paper towel. So we're just going to set this aside. Into the same pan, I'm going to put some avocado oil and the shallots that we cut up. And just cook these till they're kind of brown. I'm going to add my pasta. Okay, these are nice and browned. So now I'm going to add about 4 garlic cloves. That's minced. Probably a little bit more in there. I'm going to add some sage. I don't know how much. A couple teaspoons probably. And some salt. Some pepper. Just stir this around until the garlic is fragrant. You don't want to let this sit because the garlic will burn. Okay, garlic's looking nice and brown now. So I'm going to add the spinach that we chopped up and just constantly stir this around until it's all wilted. Noodles are done, so I'm going to turn them off and just let them sit there. Okay, spinach looks nice and wilted, so I'm going to add the pumpkin. And the recipe calls for only a 15-ounce can, and I only have a 30-ounce, so I'm only going to use about half of this. And I'll just save the other half for something else like muffins. Looks good. So I didn't dump the water out in the pasta because we're going to use that to make this sauce. And I'm just going to ladle it in here until it's the consistency that I want. But you're going to need to reserve about 2 cups. You can just slowly add it in. Now I'm gonna add back in the sausage. And just turn it off. Now I'm gonna go drain my pasta. Okay, now I'm gonna add my pasta to the sauce. You could mix this in a separate bowl if you like, but I don't like doing dishes, so we're gonna make this work. Just slowly stir it in. Sausage, spinach, pasta with a pumpkin sauce. Don't be scared to try it if you don't like pumpkin, because you can't taste the pumpkin in it at all. So give it a try.